So today we're going to talk about arrangements in the future using the present progressive. Remember, the present progressive is using when we use ing. For example, what are Mario and Fiona doing on the weekend? On the weekend is in the future. It's an arrangement. It's something they agreed to do. Okay, you're going to do in the future, but you agree. So what are Mario and Fiona doing on the weekend? That's an example for present progressive. So we're going to listen to the conversation. I'm going to read it, and you have to pay attention to answer the questions in number 2. So, Mario, what are you doing on the weekend? The soccer team's playing on Saturday. Fiona, where are you playing? Is it a home game? Mario, no, we are playing away in Newton. Can you come? Fiona, I can't. I'm helping Dad clean the house this weekend. My cousin is coming to stay next weekend. Mario, how long is he staying? Fiona, he's actually a she, and she's leaving at the end of the month. So the question is, what are Mario and Fiona doing on the weekend? You can observe that in each sentence we have ing. The action is for future arrangements. They're doing it. So for example, what are you, Mario? What are you doing on the weekend? The soccer team's playing on Saturday. And so they're all with this future in the future, but with present progressive form. So we're going to proceed to answer the question. Okay, so we read the conversation and we have to answer this part of what is Mario and Fiona doing on the weekend. So we have that Mario is playing soccer and Fiona is helping her dad to clean the house on the weekend. That is what we got from the conversation. So we continue now with the second part. We have to use exercise 1 to complete the second part. We have to extract the answers from the sentences to complete the present progressive for events or plans that will happen in the future. So the football team, so we are going to answer number 2. Number 2 would be the first one is the football team, and the answer is playing on Saturday. Future arrangement, something that's going to happen in the future, we use this format. So the football team is playing on Saturday with ing. And we use it for time, to express time and to indicate the future. The other sentence we have there is this one. We have to complete. What are you doing on the weekend? We use time expressions on the weekend, on Friday, on Saturday. Okay, So we can use it with a time expression. What are you doing on the weekend? Or we can say this week. So when we use it for time expressions, right here, we use it first of all for events or plans that will happen in the future. Okay, it's going to happen on Saturday. And we use it with time expressions. To indicate the future. You can ask, what are you doing on Friday? Today's Monday, or on Wednesday. On Friday, okay. You can use also. So, and what will happen in the future is playing, or the football team is having a party on Saturday. Okay, so you can say different events that can happen in using the present progressive in this way. So in this part, we have, what day is Mario playing on the weekend? That would be your first answer. So the first one is already solved, but for you to be, that's how it would work. You have to fill in. Let's underline it for you to understand. You put in is, and then the verb, you put ing to the verb. So the next sentence you have there is number 2. Where the team plays. So where, and then comes in where you can use is the team playing. Okay, so we use this in order to put it in present progressive. Where is the team playing? Where is the team playing? We use the verb to be and ing. The next one is exercise. The next exercise is 3. So in 3 would be, who Fiona help on Saturday? Who Fiona help on Saturday? Who can tell me what do we write there? Who? What do we put? Who? Is or are? Who is, okay, because it's one person. Who, tell me. Who can read it to me? Who? Look at the examples. Is Fiona. How does the verb come now? Help. And ing. Who is Fiona helping on Saturday? You have to pay attention to how you have to fill it. You have to use the verb to be. In this case, it is just one person, the Fiona. It's Fiona. Mario, the team is like one. When if you have two people, it would be who are, okay? And ing in help, helping. Next sentence, number 4. Why? They. What do we use with they? Is or are? Is or are? What do we use with they? Is or are? Okay, we use are they cleaning the house? Because the subject, the pronoun is they. So are they? Are they? So why are they cleaning the house? And the last sentence would be five. When so Fiona, cousin. Fiona's cousin is one person. So when is Fiona's cousin leaving? When is Fiona's cousin leaving? That would be how you complete those sentences. Leaving with ing, and Fiona's cousin is one person and it's a she. She says, he asked her in this sentence, it says, my cousin is coming to, she says, I can't. I am helping dad clean the house this weekend. My cousin is coming to stay next week. How long is he staying? That's Amario asking. He's actually a she, okay? And she's leaving at the end of the month. So when is Fiona's cousin leaving? It can be a he or a she, but is one person leaving. Okay, so we complete those exercises and we'll continue tomorrow with the rest of the exercises.